Hey, this is Professor Perez again. Today, we're going to do some addition, and we're going to do addition on a number line. But can't get started without our student of the semester, and that's Charlie. He better be ready to go. Hey, Charlie, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better be. Okay, here we go, Charlie. Right there. Now, Charlie, what is 6 plus 3? Tell us how you do 6 plus 3.
6.
Okay. Well, we're going to do 6 plus 3 on a number line right here. That's right. Now, we're adding. Now, Charlie, when you add on a number line, which way do you go? Do you go to the right or do you go to the left? Which way, Charlie?
To the right.
To the right. That's right. We move to the right with addition. Okay. Now, in this lecture, we're only going to be adding positive numbers. Later in the semester, we will get to the adding negative numbers and also subtracting negative numbers, okay? So for right now, let's do a simple problem here. 6 plus 3, Charlie, where do we start in this number line?
6.
At the 6, and we move which way? How far?
3.
And where do you end up?
9.
At 9. There you go. Don't forget to circle your answer there. Very nice, Charlie. Okay, let's try another one here. Now, here is negative 6 plus 3. Where do we start this time, Charlie?
Negative 6.
That's right, right there. Okay, and which way do we move?
To the right.
How far?
3.
And where do we end up, Charlie?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. And that is our answer, negative 3. Very nice, Charlie. Okay, don't forget to circle your answer. Now, here we are. 0 plus 5. Where do you start, Charlie?
0.
That's right. And move which way?
To the right.
How far?
5.
And what's your answer?
5.
There you go. All right, Charlie, let's do another one here. Negative 4 plus 5. Where do we start?
Negative 4.
Negative 4 right here. Now, we're going to move right, right? We're going to move right 5. Now, Charlie, what can you tell me about your answer?
We're going to positive.
Okay, why is it going to be positive?
Because we're going to pass the 0.
That's right. We're going to cross the 0. But notice here, we go to 0. How many spaces have we moved?
4.
And we still have how many more to go?
One
more. And so our answer is positive 1. There you go. Don't forget to circle your answer. Let's do another one. Now, negative 9, Charlie, don't get scared. Now, where do we start this time?
Negative 9.
Negative 9, and we got to move right, how far?
11.
11. Now, Charlie, we're starting at negative 9. How far do I have to move to get to the 0?
9.
Okay, 9 spaces. Okay, now, how many more do I have to go?
2.
2 more, that's right. Okay. Notice, the 9 plus 2 is the 11. Now, where do we end up at, Charlie?
2.
2. And so, negative 9 plus 11 does give you a positive 2. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's start way over here, negative 10. Now, Charlie, we're going to move right 18 units. So, let's start at negative 10. Now, how far do I have to move to get to the 0?
10.
10. Okay, let's do that. And we've moved 10 spaces. Okay, let's take a break. Okay, break's over, Charlie. Now, how many more do we have to move?
8.
8 more, that's right, Charlie. So we move the 8, and now we've moved 18 total to the right, and so what's our answer?
8.
That's right, it's 8. Don't forget to circle your answer there. Very nice, Charlie. Now, here's a question. This is getting you ready for beginning algebra. What number do you add to negative 5 to get 2, Charlie? Remember, negative 5 is here, and 2 is over there. So, think about this, Charlie. What do you think the answer is?
7.
Okay. How many of you agree with him? Yeah, you got a lot of people that agree with you, Charlie. Okay, well, let's see if he's right. Okay, so if we're at negative 5 and we move right 5, we're at 0, right? Okay. Remember, we're trying to go from negative 5 to get to 2. Now, how many more do I have to move, Charlie?
2.
2 more. Okay, now, here we go. We start at negative 5, and to get to 2, we had to move a total of how many spaces, Charlie?
7.
7. So, here's our answer. What number do you add to negative 5 to get 2, Charlie?
7.
7, that's right. Okay. Now, in beginning algebra, you're going to be asked this very same question, okay? But you're going to be asked in this manner here. Negative 5 plus x equals 2. that equation there is actually asking you, what number do you add to negative 5 to get 2? And what's our answer, Charlie?
7.
It would be 7. So x would be 7 in that equation. Okay? So you're going to get to those type of equations, Charlie, when you get to beginning algebra. That's if you make it through this class. Yeah, you'll do fine. You just keep up with the homework and pay attention in class. All right. So here's another problem, Charlie. What number do you add to negative 8 to get 7? Okay, let's do it in the number line. We're going to start at negative 8, and we're going to move to the 0. How many spaces do we move, Charlie?
8.
That's right, 8. Now, take a break. Okay, now, how many more do we have to move, Charlie, to get to the 7?
7 more.
7, that's right. And so, when you look at this, we moved 8, and we moved 7 more. Now you have to do an addition problem. Charlie, how much is 8 plus 7?
15.
Okay, it is 15. That's right. Very good. So, to answer this question, what number do you add to negative 8 to get to that 7? What's your answer?
15.
15. Very nice. That's because negative 8 plus 15 equals 7. Now, again, in beginning algebra, you'll be asked this equation, which is basically, that equation is asking you this question. What number do you add to negative 8 to get 7? X is the unknown number. And so what's our answer, Charlie?
15.
X equals 15. Very nice. Anyway, so we'll take a break and come back and do part 2 of our addition lecture. Anyway, Charlie, get some rest, do your homework problems, and we'll see you again soon. And you too.